Hello and welcome back to another video. So how you can open the control panel and how you can use the control panel in Windows 11. So let me show you the something that first of all I have a icon here, control panel. If you want to enable the control panel icon, I have already making some video, so I'll mention the link here. Okay, and also you can just search the control in the start bar. Okay, also you can click on window R and you can open the run, and where you can type control. Okay, and enter it. When you enter, the control panel will open. You can see first option. Whenever you first time open it, you can see like this. Okay, if you see like this, you can categorize, you can view and view by and click on large icons, click on small icons, whatever you want to see fit. Okay, so let's suppose I have clicked large icon. I can see every single tool here. Okay, if I click on categories wise, okay, you can see the user account and erase of access, programs, system and security, network, hardware. Okay, so this kind of, if you don't want to forget something, you can just use this type. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being here, and subscribe this channel if you like it.